have killed the enemy, but I will not survive here. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5. As you can see, this is a Redmi 5 Rozi, and here you will get the MIUI NFS 12.5 official. This is the official version available for Redmi 5 based on MIUI 12.5. Need for speed ROM. Let's check the my device specification. We will also check the Android version. You will get the Android version 10 in this ROM. As you can see, MIUI NFS 12.5 official f1.0 beta. As you can see, this is the official version available for Redmi 5, and we will get the security latest security patch available. This is the latest build available for Redmi 5 Rozi. All the download link will be in the description, so you can check the description also. Let's check. As you can see, you will get the Android version 10 in this ROM. And security patch level, as you can see, here is the MIUI version model MDG1, and QLite kernel is installed in this ROM. We will also check the kernel comparison video, so you can subscribe our channel for daily updates. And total internal storage 16 GB. As you can see, we will also check the Call of Duty performance, gaming performance of this ROM, and we will also check all the features available in this ROM. Now let's check back. We will also check the change logs. As you can see, this is the NFS settings. We will check it later on. First we will check the Wi-Fi is working perfectly. There is no problem in the Wi-Fi. You can easily connect, so there is no problem. And the Bluetooth is also working perfectly. There is no problem in the Bluetooth devices. You can easily share the media files or connect with the car audio devices and Bluetooth headset also. And here you can see, here is some problem in the connection and sharing. As you can see, it is restarting again and again. So there may be problem in the hotspot. Let me check from the status bar whether you can enable the hotspot or not. Now let's check. As you can see, you can go to the hotspot from the status QS settings, but connection and sharing is not working in my device. I will tell you about that in the description. I will update you, so don't worry. After resetting again and again, so I will tell you about that. As you can see, connection and sharing, it goes back to the home screen, so I will update you, so don't worry. And the hotspot is working perfectly. There is no problem in the hotspot. You can enable it from here. If the setting application is not opening, you can enable it from here. As you can see, these all are the features. And the brightness is working perfectly. There is no problem in the brightness, and automatic brightness is also working. And here is the some of the wallpaper and personalization. As you can see, it is the same. As you can see, these are the wallpapers. You will get the new wallpapers in this ROM. And the icons, you can change the icon also. Here is this is the theme enabled in my device. This is the default theme. As you can see, it looks very cool. And here is the camera. We will also check the camera. First let's check the features. Here is the wallpaper. As you can see, you can customize it according to your use. There are many features in this ROM, and the ringtones are also new, and notification, alarms, font effect is also available. As you can see, and light up screen, pulse, starlight, everything is available. If you want to enable it, you can enable it. It works perfectly. There is no problem. I have tested this ROM, so don't worry. And always on display, let's check the always on display. Here is the always on display. Always on display is working perfectly. There is no problem in the always on. Now let's check the always on display. As you can see, always on display is working perfectly. There is no problem in always on display. If you enable the always on display, your battery will drain fastly. As you can see, let me apply other always on display. Let me apply this one. Apply. Let's check the always on display. As you can see, you can change the themes also if you want. As you can see, notification is appearing. Notification effect is working. You can change it according to your use. Here is the styles. You can change it according to your use. Show time items. Let me turn off always on display. Here is the sleep option. Raise to wake is working perfectly. There is no problem in raise to wake. Double tap to wake up. You can use it. Double tap to wake up. As you can see, it works perfectly. Double tap to wake up is working perfectly. Tap fingerprint sensor to wake. As you can see, it works perfectly smoothly without any problem, without any delay. And the lock screen format, you can change the format also. It works 100% accurate. As you can see, it will take few seconds to apply. Right now it is not applied. It will take a few seconds to apply, so don't worry, it works perfectly. There is no problem. And let me show you the fingerprint speed. We will also check the fingerprint speed, how fast is the fingerprint, and face unlock of our device. Let me wait. Let's wait for few seconds. Now apply the fingerprint. As you can see, vibration is working perfectly. There is no problem in the vibration. As you can see, they little bit late in the animation, but right now it is okay. Let's check the speed. As you can see, look icon is coming right now. Format, tap, open. As you can see, fingerprint speed is lightning fast. As you can see, it is just amazing. There is no delay in the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint speed, as you can see, it very fast, very fast. So this is the updated version of MIUI 12.5. So you can install this ROM for daily usage also. We will check the gaming performance, so don't worry. For daily usage, I recommend this ROM. It works perfectly smoothly without any problem. Now let's check the face unlock speed also. How fast is the face unlock speed? As you can see, you will get the status bar like this in the video. As you can see, here is the date, time. You can change it according to your use. It works perfectly. You can change it, so don't worry. Stay on lock screen. Let me remove it, disable it. Let's check the speed. As you can see, right now it is taking little bit time in the starting. Let me check again. As you can see, right now I am not able to detect my face as camera is coming between. So let me check again. As you can see, face unlock speed is little bit slow than fingerprint, so it is okay. Now it is as you can see, now it is becomes fast. So fingerprint and face unlock speed is lightning fast, so don't worry, you will not get angry with the face unlock and the fingerprint speed. So I recommend this ROM for daily usage also, and the battery performance is very good in this ROM. And the second speed is working perfectly. There is no problem. If I found any bug in this ROM, I will tell you about that in the description, so don't worry, you can check the description also. And here is the display. Let's check the display also. Dark theme is available, you can easily adjust it. It is working perfectly. Automatic brightness is also working perfectly. There is no problem in automatic brightness. Reading mode, let's check the reading mode also. Here you can see, you can adjust it, but it is not very dark, only light. Color scheme is also available. Let's check the color scheme also. Standard, saturated. As you can see, it works perfectly. There is no problem. And color temperature is also working. There is a minimum bug in this ROM, or you can say there is no bugs available in this ROM. This is the updated version, so that's why many of the bugs have been fixed. So don't worry, you will not feel any problem. I will tell you about that in the description, so don't worry. And control center is working. As you can see, this is the latest control center available for MIUI 12.5. It works perfectly smoothly without any lag or delay. As you can see, Jio is working, and right now Jio is off. Volt is working perfectly because my Jio sim is not in a good condition to run, so that's why it always turn off in every device, in my personal device also. So Jio is working, Volt is working, there is no problem. As you can see, SMS has come, Jio, it works perfectly, and SD card is also working perfectly. We will check it later on, so don't worry. The full screen display is also working perfectly. There is no problem in the full screen display. Hide full screen navigation bar, navigation indicator you can hide also. As you can see, double check on the gestures. If you enable the gestures for the first time, you will feel the lag in the after enabling the gestures, so don't worry, this will be just for a few seconds only. So this ROM is best for MIUI 12. If you love MIUI 12, you can simply install this ROM. Here is the sound and the vibration. Let's check the sound also. Sound is also working perfectly. You will get new sounds in this ROM. Vibration is also working on the call, and the vibration on the navigation bar is also working perfectly. Vibration on tap, you can change the vibration on tap also. Light, medium, strong, you can adjust it according to your use. It works perfectly without any problem. And touch sound, tap sound is also working perfectly. Delete sound, screenshot sound, it works perfectly smoothly without any problem, so don't worry. Now let's check other features also. Here is the some of the notification and panels. Here is the control center system. Smart home none is available. Status bar, here is the status bar. LTE instead of 4G. Show icon speed. Connection speed is also available. Percentage inside outside is also available. As you can see, battery bar is also available. It works perfectly. And here you can see these are the change logs available in this ROM. Custom status bar style is also available. We will check it later on. I will tell you about that. And the battery performance is very good in this ROM. Now let's check 3 hours remaining on 10% battery backup on standby. And here is the additional setting. You can change the region also. Let me change the region first, then we will check the change logs also. India, as you can see, you can adjust it. Now I have to change the region, as you can see, India. It will not change, so don't worry. Here the full screen gesture. Notification light is also working while charging and while receiving notification or any call notification. Blink light, as you can see, let me show you while charging also. As you can see, it works perfectly without any problem. And sensor is also working. Each and every sensor is working. You can transfer the files also, so don't worry. It can easily detect in the computer. Quick bowl, everything is working perfectly, so you can check it according to your use if you want. If I will tell you about all the features, each and every feature, the video will be very long. So here is the NFC setting. These are the main setting available in this ROM. You can customize it. Here is the custom status bar. You can change the status bar also. iOS type is also available. As you can see, you can change it. As you can see, here is the iOS, and you will get the network icon here, notification, clock, battery percentage. You can change it according to your use. There are many features available in this ROM. MIUI Pro, OSP, Need for Speed 1 is also available. As you can see, it will take few seconds to apply, mainly 2 to 3 seconds. As you can see, this is the status bar, NFC project. So you can adjust it according to your use if you want, whichever you want. Date in the status bar is also available. If you enable it, you will get the date. As you can see, dual network icon is also available. You will get the dual network icon if available. And here is the battery style, MIUI 10. As you can see, you can change it. As you can see, it works perfectly, there is no problem. Here you will get the QS styles, panel styles is also available, and NFC panel is also available. So you can adjust it according to your use. There are many features in those ROM. Custom display is also available. Anti-flickering mode is, if any, available. Anti-flickering mode apply DC dimming. If you get any anti-flickering in your device, you can just enable it. Reduce animation, if you want to reduce the animation, you can reduce the animation also, available here. Here is the button available. As you can see, ignore accidental touch on the edges is also available. Beautify video call, as you can see, hide notch, there is no notch in this ROM, in this device. Adjust notch shape also. This cutout is not useful for this device. To you will get the navigation from here. Mirror buttons also available if you enable the navigation bar. If you use the navigation bar, rounded corners is also available. As you can see, you can adjust the size also. As you can see, it does not like good. As you can see, if you want to enable, you can adjust it according to your use. And here is the custom sound. Here is the clear sound, player sound. As you can see, you can clear the speaker also from here. And profile video for incoming call. There are many features in this ROM, so you can adjust it according to your use. You can check it according to your use. And if you want fully customization in MIUI 12, so you can simply install this ROM. So don't worry, you will get many features, and many of the features and almost all the features are working perfectly. And here is the date and time, text size, font weight, NFC part is also available from here, as you can see. So you can check it, battery percentage, NFC updates is also available in this ROM. Developer option is also available, but it is not working, as you can see. So if you can check it according to your use, there are many features. And my account is easy, you can easily log in the my account. It works perfectly. Google account, no need to flash any fix. All the link is in the description. You can simply download the ROM of this device. So this ROM is only for Redmi 5. Do not install this ROM in any other device. So now let's check the Antutu benchmark and the Call of Duty test. And here is the camera performance, as you can see. And the camera is same, as you can see, MIUI camera. You can adjust it. It works perfectly. Torch is working. Everything is working perfectly. I have fully tested this ROM. If I face any bug, I will tell you that in the description. If you face any bug, you can tell me that in the comment section also. So now let's check the Call of Duty and then to the benchmark. Now let's check the gaming performance. Here is the COD. I am actually running the COD in my this MIUI ROM 12.5. As you can see, there is more lag in this ROM. As you can see, graphic quality is low. Right now here you can see graphic quality, though there is so much lag in this ROM. As you can see, here you can see gaming performance is very poor in this ROM. We will also check the gaming performance after changing the kernel in the next video, not in this video. Here you can see ROM is very laggy while playing games. As you can see, it is not moving, just stuck in the at one place, and it is just getting sometime it goes back to the home screen. As you can see, it is very laggy. You will not able to play the game after few seconds, after few minutes of running the Call of Duty. The performance is same, there is no change in the performance. As you can see, it is totally same. You will not get best performance in this ROM in gaming. As you can see, it is very laggy. I am not able to, and the quality is gaming graphic quality is very low. My device specification is 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM. As you can see, it is very laggy, so don't install this ROM for gaming, but for daily usage there may be, you can try it for daily usage also, but you will definitely feel the lag. So I will not prefer to install this ROM for gaming. And as you can see right now, it is the lag is cooled down, as you can see, but it is not much very good. As you can see, now the ROM is performing better than the previous, but not best. When the enemy came near you, your phone or ROM will lag like hell. As you can see, I have killed the enemy, but I will not survive here. I will be dead soon. So the performance is very poor, so don't install this ROM for gaming. My suggestion is that you should not install this ROM for gaming. The performance is very poor in this MIUI 12.5 ROM. It is just performing 000. It is not working perfectly. And we will check the AnTuTu benchmark, safety net, AnTuTu benchmark, and the Geekbench. We will also check in the next video, comparison video. So don't worry, you can subscribe our channel for daily updates. If we talk about the safety net, as you can see, safety net is not passed in this ROM. Failed. Safety net compatibility test is failed. Response signature validation is failed, as you can see. And the Google Play Store is certified, so don't worry. As you can see, device is certified, so our Play Store is certified. Only the AnTuTu benchmark is not working. Geek benchmark and other tests will be updated soon, and performance test, app opening speed will also be updated in the next video. So you can subscribe our channel. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.